Hi everybody, today I will show you how to host your website with infinityfree.com. Okay, so let's just begin. Alright, so as you can see here, the infinityfree.com. So let's click here. Infinity Free actually provides the free website hosting. Okay, so it is actually providing the free hosting for over the 10 years, and it has the fastest free hosting, 99.9% uptime, and unlimited hosting. We have the completely free, and it is completely free, no credit card required and no hidden fee. Alright, so now let's just create an account on Infinity Free. So let's click on the register now. Okay, so I have to create a temporary email now. So I'm gonna write down temp email, click here. Okay, so let's just copy this email. I'm actually using the temporary email for the tutorial purpose. So if you want to use it for your own website, you can use your email here. So let's paste the email. Let's just agree the terms of the service here, and let's just click on the sign up. Alright, so now I just need to provide my email here. So let's write down the email. We also need to write down the password here. Okay, so now let's agree on the terms of the service. So let's check here and click on the sign up button. Okay, so now we have to go to our Gmail, and from here I have to verify my email here. So let's click on the verify email address, and now you can see here we have verified our email. So now I have to create the hosting account. So if I wanted to create a new hosting account, I will simply click here, create account. Okay, so from here I can choose the subdomain or the custom domain. So I will simply go with the subdomain right now. So that would be the, alright, so subdomain is greatsite.net. It will work fine. So let's check the availability here. Okay, so the domain is available. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to enter the additional information. So first of all, we have the account label. Okay, so I think I would go with this default value. So the account username is actually auto generated, and we have the account password. So I'll just simply leave this password field to generate the random password. Now let's just click on the create account here, and as you can see here that our account is created. Now from here we can actually go into the control panel of Infinity Free. As you can see this, we have this important notice, so you can simply read this. So I will just simply click on I approve, and as you can see here we have our control panel of the Infinity Free here. Okay, so we have the home and we have the upgrade plans. In the home we have the search for a new domain name. If you want to search for the new domain, you can simply search it from here, and you have the preferences in which we have the update contact email, getting started, we have the account upgrades, we have the account settings, and after that we have the files. So in the files we have the file manager, we have the directory privacy, we have the FTP account, free FTP software, and the backups, and after that we have the databases. So in the databases we have the PHP MyAdmin, MySQL databases, and remote MySQL, and after that we have the domains. So in the domains we have the add-on domains, subdomains, aliases, spark domains, and redirects. And after that we have the email, we have the metrics, we have the security, and in the security we have the IP blocker and SSL or TLS. And after that in the software we have this app installer and alter PHP config, and in the advanced we have the cron jobs, we have the CNAME records and the error pages. In the last we have the support. Okay, so the first of all I would actually go into the upgrade plans, because I just want to see what kind of the plans they are offering for the hosting. So in the hosting they actually have the two premium hosting. The first one is the ultimate and the second one is the super. So in the ultimate premium hosting they actually charge around $8 per month, and for the super premium they actually charge around $5 per month. And we have the payment terms, and we have this free domain name. Alright, so now let's just go back to our home, and you can also see the statistics here. So we actually have the free space of around 5 GB in the free hosting plan. So right now I'll just simply click on the file manager here, and from here we have to go inside the htdocs. Okay, so from here you can actually upload your website here. So if you want to upload the custom website, or if you want to upload the code of your website here, you will simply upload the file of your website here. Alright, so as you can see that we have this HTML file. We can edit this file, we can download this file and copy the name, create the zip archive, and we also have these other options. So here you can actually upload the file, you can download the file, you can fetch the files, and you also have the new file, and you can also create the new file or the folder here, and you can also create the new file or the folder here, and you also have the other options here. Okay, so let's just go into this edit file. As you can see this, we have this simple HTML code. So if you want to modify this, you can simply modify it from here. So now let's just go back. So this is the place where you can upload the code of your website if you want to upload the code of your website. But if you want to create your website with WordPress or something like that, you will simply go back from here. Alright, so we have to go inside the panel, and from here we have to go inside the apps installer. So let's click here, and from here you can actually install the WordPress for your website. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these top scripts here. We have the WordPress, we have the Joomla, we have the other apps here. So you can install any app from here for your website. So I want to have the website with the WordPress, so I just simply click on the install WordPress. Alright, so here we have the site settings, we have the admin account, we have the select plugin and choose language, and from here I can actually choose the theme if I wanted to, and from here we can actually choose the theme. So now let's just go to the top of our web page. So here I would actually create the username, that would be the admin. Alright, so the site name would be the blog. Okay, so that is okay. So I think I have to select the theme here, so I would go with this theme. Alright, so now I just scroll down and simply install the WordPress on our website. So it may take 3 or 4 minutes, depends on the speed of your internet. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Alright, so the WordPress is installed on our hosting. So let's click on our website here, and you will be able to see our WordPress website with the custom theme that I have selected. Okay, so that is the theme that I have selected, and this is looking really great here. Alright, so now let's just go back to our WordPress installer here, and from here I would simply like to go into my WordPress dashboard. So let's click here, and as you can see that we are inside the dashboard of our WordPress website. Okay, so if you wanted to create the post, you can simply do it from here in the post, and if you want to create the page, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to change the appearance of our WordPress website, you simply go into the themes, and from here if you wanted to install a new theme, you can simply install it from here. So I will simply click on add new, and I will search for the Astro theme here, click on install. Let's just activate our theme here. Okay, so now let's just go back to our website and refresh the page here. Okay, so now if you wanted to customize the theme, you simply click here, and from here you can actually customize your theme here. Okay, so as you can see this, we have this Astro theme editor. So if you wanted to go into the page, you'll simply click here, and you can change the layout of your page. And in the similar way, you can actually go into the blog, and we have this two option, blog or the single post. So I simply click on the blog, and you can change the layout of your blog. You can change the sidebar layout, and we also have the content width, and we also have these other options here which you can simply customize. In this video, we learned to host our website with the Infinityfree, and we also learned to install the WordPress on it. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.